Jackie update ng behind the scene nila Jack Roberto at Kylie Padilla sa Task Force Firewall. Yan, bilang sila Isa at Hex. Yung sweet pa nila eh. Ayun o. Ang kamay ni Kylie nasa banikat ni Jack. Yung reaction ni Jack. Yan o. Yan, grabe si Isa at si Martin. Ang galaw-galaw Hex. Grabe yan o. During taping ng Task Force Firewall, ayan sila. Abangan yung gabi-gabi. Ito, mga endorsement nila Jack Roberto at Kylie Padilla. Beno, Power kay Jack. Kay Kylie naman ay You Glow Babe. Ayan o. Yung bang endorser ni Kylie. You Glow Babe. Ganda ng kotse ni Jack o BYD. Ayan yung endorsement ng Jackie. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for my update. This is Richard the Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.